Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. This lesson will be about the mathematical operations with the NumPy array. We can complete the mathematical operations using NumPy array easily and simply. Let's start with the scalar addition. Simply scalars can be added or subtracted from arrays. And you know what? Arrays can also be added and subtracted from each other easily without any complication. So let me show you that in a practical example. Let's add a certain integer number to an array. Here in this example we have created an array of 4 elements. All of these elements are integers data type. We use the plus sign to add the number 2 to every element within the array. And we have set this operation as a value for the variable called b. And then we print out the variable b using the print function to get our final output. And you can see this output here. This output is a new array of 4 items or elements, which is the result of adding the number 2 to every element in the original array that we created. Now let me show you how to easily add an array to another array. We've created 2 arrays here. Each array is made of 4 integer numbers or integer elements. The first array is called A and it has 1, 2, 3 and 4. The second array is called B and it has 10, 20, 30 and 40. Then we created another variable called C to assign the mathematical operation to this variable or this addition to this variable. And when you see the result of this operation, you will find that each number in the array B has been added to the number of the same order or the same index in the array A. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. 2 plus 20 is equal to 22. 3 plus 30 is equal to 33. 4 plus 40 is equal to 44.